So guys, if you not subscribe, I want you to actually subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Now let's start with our pound JPY on our daily time frame. We can see this our level here, which is our support. Our price hits this our level, hits this our level, hits this our level, and we can see this is that pushing up, and it came down again to test this our level. One thing I know is that we will be seeing a bullish move on this our pound JPY, but I wanted to also have this in mind that there's very likely that our pound very much likely drop to around 160 or 159. We're very much likely to see a drop to around 160 or 159 before we see that bullish move on our pound, because currently if we are to go on our 4-hour time frame, we are still on bearish move. By the way, our pound is actually not giving us that bullish move. We're very much likely to see that drop, that it will break below this hour. Very much likely, I'm not saying it will happen, but very much likely it will happen. So we might very much likely see a price break below our 161.213. Currently we are trading at 161.992. so if very much likely we get that break below 161.213, then we'll see that drop till around 160 or 159. And if we don't get that drop below it, then we'll see that bullish move on our pound JPY as we've just predicted. So if and in case we actually get that break below of this our price, this our 161.213, if we have our price break below it, then we'll see our price come to our 160 or 159. Then after it, then we'll see a bullish move. So above all, what are we expecting this week is that anytime soon we are going to be getting a bullish move on our pound JPY, but it is just a matter of when on and how are we going to get that our bullish move on our pound JPY. So daily time frame, as we can see it, anytime soon our pound to our JPY should actually push up to hit this our resistance level here. We want to see our pound rally up to hit this our resistance level, but before that we might see some back and forth where our price can come down to take out this our liquidity before it actually go bullish. So let us just watch out for it this week on our pound JPY.